Today we congregate at the headquarters of the 5th largest chicken meat producer in the U.S., which is owned by one of the most influential billionaires in our food system, Joseph Grendis. Grendis profits on killing 12 million 6-week-old chicks every week. And he refused our beautiful gift of a Chinese rooster portrait.
What do we want?
Slaughter-free cooked food.
When do we want it?
Now!
Slaughterhouses are a shame.
Joseph Grendis is to blame.
Animal abuse goes hand in hand with the abuse of vulnerable humans. Sexual and verbal abuse, extortion, retaliation, discrimination. These are common occurrences at Koch Foods, which is just one more reason to stop the slaughter.
Transitioning Koch Foods to a plant-based company is a moral responsibility for Joseph Grendis.
Grendis has the resources to make this happen, and in the process, he can become a model for the change that is urgently needed from the rest of the food industry.
Hurt the chickens, hurt the planet.
Grendis' heart is made of granite.
Polluting the air, polluting the water.
Grendis profits from animal slaughter.
If we got rid of all fossil fuels overnight, we would still exceed our 565 gigaton limit of CO2 by 2030 just on animal agriculture alone.
Slaughter-Free Network's demand is that Grendis urgently begin the transition to a plant-based chicken company because time is not on our side.